Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the floating window feature so it's available system-wide. Go to Settings, then Smart Assistance or App Multitasking. Turn on Floating Window or Smart Sidebar. Once done, make sure Recent Apps gestures are enabled so you can access multitask controls quickly. This step prepares the phone to show small movable app windows. Doing it now avoids interruptions later. You're enabling a system-level permission that lets apps detach from full-screen mode into a small overlay for quick use. You'll convert an active app into a floating window next. Open the app, swipe up to Recent Apps, and long press its card to reveal options. Pick Floating Window or the small window icon. If the icon isn't visible, drag the app toward the top of the screen to trigger multitask shortcuts. Once the app becomes a small overlay, you can drag it, resize its corners, or tap to expand. This is how multitasking feels faster, because you keep one app on top while doing a finish by managing the floating window and knowing one key fix. You can drag edges to resize and move it by the title bar, tap the X to close, or use Recent Apps to reopen. If an app won't enter floating mode, force close it, then try again. If that fails, restart the phone and toggle floating window off and on in Settings. Make sure the app supports overlays. Some secured apps disallow floating windows. This troubleshooting step resolves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.